TCS CEO, AI won't reduce hiring, but training will evolve. TCS CEO K. Krithivasan addressed concerns about AI's impact on job displacement, emphasizing it won't reduce hiring but requires evolved training. At NASSCOM Forum 2024, he noted generative AI's experimental nature, cautioning against premature workforce reduction assumptions. Krithivasan highlighted TCS's commitment to adapting amid business challenges without compromising hiring demand. Despite declining headcount, strategic planning and creativity in talent acquisition are crucial, with critical thinking skills essential in the face of technological advancements. Continuous training and development are emphasized by Krithivasan, particularly where machines complement human capabilities. While generative AI enhances productivity, strategic planning, and creativity remain relevant skills, suggesting continued demand in these areas amid technological evolution. As AI shapes the future of work, TCS prioritizes empowering its workforce with essential skills. Krithivasan's message underscores the company's dedication to navigating an evolving landscape, ensuring employees are equipped to thrive amidst technological advancements.